Choosing the right CNC laser module can be tricky. Low cutting power, poor focus, overheating, and unstable output often lead to weak engraving results. That's why high-quality laser modules matter. Today, I'll show you the top 5 best CNC laser modules of 2026, designed for precise engraving, clean cutting, and long-term reliability. These modules are ideal for wood, leather, acrylic, and light metal marking. We researched specifications, real user feedback, and performance value to create this list. All product links are in the description for updated prices. Number 5. Laser Tree 80W-F45 10-watt laser module. The Laser Tree 80W-F45 is a professional 10-watt optical power laser module designed for CNC 3018 Pro engravers. Using a 450-nanometer blue light with TTL control, it delivers stable output for detailed wood engraving and light cutting tasks. The focused laser spot ensures clean lines and sharp text, while the aluminum housing helps with heat dissipation during longer jobs. It's compatible with most DIY CNC machines and offers reliable performance for hobbyists and small workshops looking for accuracy without complex setup. Number 4. AENBUSLM 40W/80W Laser Engraving Head. The AENBUSLM laser module is available in both 40W and 80W versions and comes with built-in air assist for cleaner cuts and reduced burn marks. Designed for CNC laser engravers, it handles wood, leather, acrylic, and similar materials with ease. The strong laser output improves cutting efficiency, while TTL modulation allows precise power control. Solid construction and wide compatibility make this module a practical upgrade for users who want smoother engraving results and improved cutting depth. Number 3. Laser Tree K30 30-watt optical laser module. The Laser Tree K30 features 30-watt optical power using a 6-diode laser system with air assist support. Its 450-nanometer blue laser provides excellent focus and consistent energy output, making it suitable for both engraving and cutting tasks. TTL control ensures smooth power adjustment for detailed designs, while the compact laser head fits most CNC engraver frames easily. This module is ideal for users who need a balance of power, precision, and durability for regular workshop use. Number 2. NEJE A40640/E40 80-watt double beam laser module. The NEJE A40640/E40 is a high-power 80-watt laser module featuring a double beam design for improved cutting strength and efficiency. Operating at 450 nanometers, it delivers sharp engraving results and strong performance on wood, acrylic, and coated metals. The advanced focusing system helps maintain accuracy across larger work areas, while its CNC-ready design ensures easy integration. This laser module is a strong choice for serious makers who need faster cutting and consistent engraving quality. Number 1. RDDSPON 80W High-Power CNC Laser Module. The RDDSPON 80W laser module is the most powerful and versatile option on this list. Supporting both 12-volt and 24-volt systems, it includes air assist and TTL control for precise, clean engraving and cutting. Built for DIY and professional CNC laser engravers, it delivers strong output for wood cutting and detailed surface engraving. Durable construction, wide compatibility, and stable performance make it an excellent all-in-one solution for users who want maximum power and reliability. High-quality CNC laser modules improve engraving accuracy, cutting depth, and overall efficiency. These 5 options offer different power levels, air assist support, and strong compatibility for DIY and professional users. Whether you're upgrading or building new, there's a solid choice here. Which one fits your setup best?